Okay, well, I'm gonna redo my thing. Okay, I teach you how to do an Xbox 360 fix. Temporary. It's not gonna work forever. It's gonna work for a pretty long time if you want to. So what we got here is we got the 3 red rings. Three. Okay. And we don't want 3. Okay. So what I have on the back of it is 2 Q-tips blocking the fan, so there's no more. All you hear is that thing going. So that's all. And when you see the 3 rings turn to 2, then I'll get back to you. Right now, stay tuned. Excuse me. Turn it off and then okay, so now 3 rings went to 2. Now you come onto the back, and you just pull it loose. Take out the 2 things, blow on it, plug it back in, wiggle it around, give it a couple. Let's see if it works. Ta-da! It is fixed. And now, all you gotta do, and that's just a warning. So, like and subscribe.